Are you ready for this? Let's begin our workout. Lift your arms up over your head. Come on, feel the stretch and take it down. Again, lift up. Today we're going to have a great workout. Working on aerobics, toning, and stretching. We're going to firm up our legs today. Really working on those thighs. Lift up. Hold the stretch. Feeling a great stretch in the upper body. And relax. Down. One more. Lift up. And little stretches. Here we go. Stretch it out. Stretch. Legs apart. Stretch. That's it. And reach it up. Do your best today now, everybody. You can do it. This is your personal workout just for you. Feel as though I'm your personal trainer in the privacy of your own home. Such convenience, huh? That's it. That way you have no excuses. You can do me or tape it, whatever. Come on, long as you exercise. Reach higher and higher. That's it. Good. 2 more. Last one. And twist for the waistline. And twist. Use your heel. Lift it up. That's it. Working more of the waistline. Punch it out. You got it. Stomach in. Make it skinny. Great. Isn't this beautiful here? Right next to the ocean. Pretend you're with me and enjoy the scenery. Nice place to work out. That's it. And punch it out. Smile. We're going to burn fat today. Lose some calories. Lose some weight. Try not to overeat today now, okay? Promise me? And I won't try to eat too much either. Okay, stretch it out. Take it down, down, and reach, and reach. Legs apart. Your rear end is way back there, behind you. So you feel it in your inner thighs. That's it. Shift from side to side. That's it. Feel it. Come on, you can do it. Is that tummy in? Suck it under. Great. Tighten up the whole body. Feel it. Good. Especially tighten up the tummy. Whenever you lean forward, feel as though the navel is tucking under. Great. 2 more. 1 and 2 to the side. Lift up and down. Up and down. Lift and low. That's it. Good. Stomach in. You can do it. Up and down. Toning those calf muscles. That's it. Good. Now shift it forward and release. And forward. Release. Up and down. Use your arms. Pump those biceps. You got it. Pump it. Harder. That's it. Show me your muscles. Great. Last one. And hold it. Stretch it out. Hold it. And take it forward. And reach. Forward. And reach. You got it. And reach. Good. Tummy in. Stretching your legs. The arms. That's it. Good. Couple more. Feel it. Last one. And shift your weight back and let's stretch those hamstrings. That's it. Great. Hold your stretch. Okay, side to side. Here we go to the other side. Woo! Now elbows up and back. That's it. Working the arms at the same time you're toning your calf muscle. Up and back. Use those arms. That's it. You can do it. That's it. Couple more. Do your very best today. Give it all you've got. You'll feel like you accomplished something if you continue exercising a whole half an hour with me. Come on, you'll get more energy. A sense of well-being. Up and down. And now curl it, release. Curl it. Right now, squeeze the buttocks. Squeeze. Good. Squeeze. Release. Squeeze. Release. It's in the rear end. Come on. There you go. Tighten and release. You get a good stretch in the hip flexors. The front of those thighs and hips. Last one. Good. Now reach it forward and pull. And forward. And pull. Forward. You got it. Feel it. Stretch. Doesn't that feel good? Stretch. That's it. Last one. Hold it. Stretch out those hamstrings. Stretch it out. Are you ready for aerobics? Well, let's begin. Here we go. Stand up. Inhale. And exhale. Here we go. Do the best you can now. If at any time you feel tired, just walk in place. Remember, do it at your own pace. Everyone can do this, but just do it what you can do. That's the goal here. And set realistic goals. One more. And let's go. Good, let's begin. A nice scoop. Scoop. That's it. Scoop it down. You got it. Good. Scoop. And lunge it down. Woo! Lunge it. Here you go. That's it. Use your legs. Come on. Let them go far apart. Long strides for long, skinny legs. Punch it out. Use those arms too. The more muscles we use, the more calories we burn. Woo! You can do it. That's it. Breathe. Over and towards the exhale. Couple more. That's it. Woo! Keep it going. Punch it up. Swing both arms now. Good. Get into it. Come on. Really hard. Give it all you've got now. Come on. Use those legs. We're going to trim and tone them. Woo! Here we go. Use those arms. Woo! Okay, couple more. And jump it out. Here we go. Woo! Lift it up. Knees up. That's it. Woo! Keep it going. Lift those knees. Come on. Rope it out. Sounds like the Lone Ranger. Good. You can do it. Jump rope. Jump rope. Good. Now backwards. Come on. Use those arms. You got it. Good. Jump rope. Woo! Side to side now. Like a teeter. Woo! To the other side. You got it. Do the best you can now. Exhale. Come on. You can do it. Woo! Isn't this fun music? If you like it, write to me. Let me know. Woo! Good. A lot of you like to work on legs, so this is a good one for the legs. Woo! Reach your arms overhead now. You can do this one. That's it. Punch it up. Woo! Higher, higher. Reach it. Come on, feel the rib cage. Good. Woo! Higher. Woo! 2 more. Side to side now. Jump rope. Lift the legs. Good. Come on, get into it. Woo! The other side now. Here we go. Switching. Good. Lift the other leg. Good. Just like you're jumping. Good. Keep moving. I'll be right back to tone your thighs. Welcome back. It's trim and tone time. Let's work out those thighs. Let's begin. Standing in a nice position with legs shoulder width apart. Let's go down and up. This is going to be a challenge workout for you, for your thighs and legs. Here we go. Just do the best you can now. That's it. It's going to be a little tougher and more advanced, but you can do it. I know you can. Down and up. Down and up. Use your legs. That's it. Use those thighs. You got it. Down and up. Beautiful. We're really going to work on those legs, the inner and outer thighs, and the back of our thighs. Here we go. Down. Hands behind your hips. Here you go. Use it. That's it. You could add weights here to your arms if you like. Good. Really use your legs. Down, up. 2 more. Now turn your legs outward, and we work a little different leg work. Inner and outer thighs. Here we go. Down and up. Down and up. Feel it. Come on. Feel it. It is just like a plie position. Press and down. Back is straight on this one. The knees go out. That's it. Don't let your knees go over your toes, though. Just like that. You got it? Good. Use your legs. Take it down. Down. 2 more. 1 and 2. Now stay down there. Lift up your heels. Lift them up. Work in the inner thighs. Lift them up. Knees. That's it. These are staying at 90-degree angles. No more than that. Come on. Feel it. Work it. All in here. Down and up now. Down and up with one heel alternating up. Working the calves and inner thighs. The entire time your back is straight. You've got it. Good. Down and up. Your tummy's in, it's tight. You're using your inner thighs. You got it. You're doing great. I'm proud of you. Working those legs. You have nice, slender, firm thighs. That's it. Beautiful. 2 more. 1, 2. Now knees out, then down and lift. Down and up. That's it. I want the knees facing towards me. That's good. That's it. Working the outer thigh. Lift and down. Lift, down. Up, down. Make sure your rear end goes back. That's it. Sit back. Good. Down. Lift. Down. Lift. Down. Lift. And down. Lift. Using your outer thighs. This is a great way to firm up those saddlebags. No more. We'll get rid of those excess inches. Lift. Down. Out. Last one. Hold it. Good. Here we go to the outer thighs. Just a little lift. Down. Lift and down. Balance yourself. This is a little harder than lying on your side because you're using the other leg. More efficient. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. You got it. You did it. Working those outer thighs. Great. Couple more. Last one. Up and switch and lift and down and lift. That's it. Lift it. Good. This knee should be bent too to protect your thighs and your knees. Lift and lower. Up and down. Up and down. You got it. If at any time you can't balance yourself, get a chair. That's okay. We're working the legs here. So don't worry about balancing yourself on a chair with the use of the chair or a wall. That's it. Anything sturdy and stable. 2 more. 1, 2. Let's take it down and up. Down and up. Couple more. Really feel it. Now bend your knee. Up. Down and up. Good. You got it. These are great leg exercises. They work. They strengthen those thighs. Down. Lift it out. Down. Lift. Down. Lift. Down. Up. Down. Good. A couple more. Come on. Give it all you got now. 2 more. 1, 2. Okay. Take it down and turn. Here we go. Use your thighs. Here. Down. Up. Down. Good. Make sure this front knee stays in a 90-degree angle right here. Good. You don't want to do this. This is bad. Stay back. Back. Good. That's it. Hold your arms out if you can. Beautiful. Stomach is in. Your back is skinny. Your back is straight and your tummy's skinny. 2 more. 1 and 2. Switch sides. Here we go. Down and up. Down and up. Squeeze the buttocks. You can do this. Come on. Back it straight. Beautiful. Come on. Get great legs. A lot of short skirts are in this year. Come on. Get ready for those minis. And for you guys, you want strong thighs. Come on. Good. That's it. My exercise program is for everybody. No matter what age you are, no matter what sex, You can do it. As long as you try, that's the key. 2 more. 1. Last one. And 2. Let's work those calves now. Here we go. And lift and lower. And lift and lower. 2 more before we stretch. Up and down. Up and down. Good. Now alternate your legs. Working on those calves. Come on. Push them up. Good. Okay. Stretch it out. And exhale. Good. Let's stretch to the side now. Side. Beautiful. Elongate the entire body and stretch to the other side. Good. Hold the stretch. Doesn't that feel good? Exercising regularly will help release that tension, ease that stress of the body. This is good for your body and your mind. That's it. Good mental health. Let's all lift up. Good. And stretch it out all the way down if you can. In a lunge, place your hands down here with support. And if you can, lift up. Hold. That's it, hold. Feeling a good stretch in the legs that we just worked. You always want to try to stretch out after you contracted and strengthened the muscle. It's important to lengthen it for increased flexibility. Okay, up, and let's go to the other side. Go all the way down first. Lunge down. That's it. Doing a good stretch of the inner thighs. And let's take it up. That's it. Now squeeze the buttocks here. Go down a little. Beautiful, you got it. Good. Hold that stretch. And now lift your body up. Now slowly bend down. Walk your hands out. Walk it out. And a great stretch in the back of your legs, your calves. Let's go up on our toes. Come on, straighten those calves. And down. And alternate legs, one and then the other. Stretching those calves. You feel that stretch? Great. Doesn't that feel good? Hold it and stretch it out. Hold that stretch. Now both feet down. Lift them up. Skinny tummy. Tuck it under. Press it down. Lift them up. Working on the calf muscles. And down. Good. Walk your fingers to your toes. Roll all the way up. And one deep breath. Inhale up. And exhale down, and give yourself a big hand. You did great today.
You did great. What a fabulous workout. And if you want more full-length workouts, I have a brand new app, Denise Austin app, that has over 400 of my workouts, plus recipes, plus a great community and challenges too to keep you going. Plus, we have a free trial going on right now. So download my app or scan the QR code.